for this one, it's a bit challenging. So it's called dual art. So you have two kind of pattern here, one pattern here and one pattern here. And for the inside, this one, for the space inside here, I want you to use primary color. So primary color is blue, yellow, and red. So you pick one primary color, you paint here, one primary color, one primary color. And then you pick one primary color, you paint here, and another one primary color. And for the background, I want you to use secondary color. So you have to mix, yes, two primary colors together. And then that will give you secondary color. Okay, so we're going to start with painting primary color onto our shape. So for the shapes, I want to say one thing about the shape. For the shape, you can use any shape that you want. You can use a square, or like if your house is if at home you have like octagon shape or pentagon shape, any shape that you have studied in like around December, I think. Yep, you can use those shapes as well. Okay. So for this one, actually, it's quite challenging because you have to learn how to paint within the line. Okay, so you use brush, paint it. You have to be quite patient to do this. So yeah, keep painting and you'll be fine. So now you have painted all the primary color onto your shapes. Yep. So we're going to move on to mixing color. So you mix red. Okay, I prefer red with yellow. So I'm going to mix it. And then that's give me what color? Orange. Yes, I'm going to use orange as a background color for my patterns. So I put orange. You have to put quite a lot of paint on your brush, otherwise your brush going to turn dry and it's going to create like, you know, dry brush scratches. It's quite weird. So yeah, make sure you have plenty of paint on your brush and paint away. So yeah, now I finished this part already, and then I'm going to paint secondary color onto this part. So I'm going to mix blue with yellow. What color are we having here? The more you add yellow, okay, one more thing. The more you add yellow, the more greener it is, the lighter green that you will have. So can you see that my green is light now? But if you add more blue, the green going to get darker, the color of the green. So yeah, keep adding yellow because you want this to look fun. So after your paint is dry, I want you to use black paint. Black paint, yep. Or you can use brown, like dark colors. Or you can use navy blue too, it's up to you, but make sure that the color you use is dark. And then you paint here the line, make the outline of your shape. Yeah. So your picture going to pop out. It's going to stand out. Can you see? And I want you to do the line like this. So you keep adding line. I have the list of line on my PowerPoint slide as well. So you can choose which line you want to fill in. For example, you can fill in like the line like this. Yep. Keep creating patterns. You create pattern around the circle using line like this. I'm going to show you. It doesn't matter if your line is not straight, it's art anyway. Okay, and this is one is for practicing using brush and drawing lines, so it's okay. If you see like there's the space around here, you can fill in the line like this. Fill in more line. Okay. Keep filling in empty space with lines. Then you create some patterns. And for another line over here, you can create different line patterns like curve line like this. Using line. You can use marker or paintbrush, anything is okay. I just want you to practice with your hand movement and how can I say, creating patterns. So you know that patterns is repeating and create bigger effect. Okay, like this. So let's see the final one on the PowerPoint slides. Thank you for listening.